Welcome again to Budget with Brian. Today we're going to talk about folding sawhorses, the Stanley ones. Before I do, why do I do the channel? Because I'm a professional, and it's also good for keen DIYers. So, why did I buy the Stanley sawhorses? Well, I bought them at the FFX exhibition. And the reason was, they were jolly cheap, £20 for a pair. So, if I just quickly unzip it, because I haven't opened them yet. There's the first one. And there it is, opening out. And it's got a very useful bottom tray. We're putting tools down. And there we go. There's the other one. And of course, the idea is that we can have somewhere stable but easily portable and lightweight. These tops can take a saw cut accidentally because you're not meant to do that, but they can. And for 20 quid, I think they're a bargain. Those of you who watch Budget often will notice that we do them in batches. So when we show the bodgeometer, sometimes there isn't an increase in subscribers, but there will be after this one, I'm sure. So I want to show you one more important thing then, which is in the drawer. And in the drawer is, not that drawer, in this drawer is, ta-da! The bodgeometer. And the bodgeometer tells us that we've got 526 subscribers. Thank you for all of those fresh and new people as well as the existing ones. 617 viewings. And 163 films so far. We're doing alright, aren't we? Thank you for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, there's the button down below.